Understanding homophones and homonyms with context clues. Example and non-example clues. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we'll dive into a really important topic, using context clues to understand homophones and homonyms. Specifically, we'll be focusing on example and non-example clues. Context clues are incredibly useful tools in reading and understanding English, especially when dealing with words that sound the same but have different meanings. So, let's dive in. Before we jump into our main topic, let's quickly recap on what context clues are. When you encounter a word you don't know, context clues help you figure out its meaning without having to consult a dictionary. They are hints that the author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word. In the case of homophones and homonyms, they can help distinguish between different words that sound the same. Example clues are one type of context clue that authors use. They provide examples to explain or indicate the meaning of a word in the sentence. These examples are especially helpful when we encounter homophones or homonyms, as they allow us to decipher which meaning or word is being referred to. Let's take a look at an example. John loves to sail. He enjoys the wind in his hair, the sound of the water, and the feel of the sail against his hand. Here, we have the word sail, which is a homophone. It can refer to the action of sailing or to the sail of a boat. But from the examples given, wind in the hair, sound of the water, and the feel of the sail against his hand, we can understand that the author is referring to the sail of a boat, not the action of sailing. The opposite of example clues, non-example clues are equally important. These clues indicate what something is not, helping the reader understand by contrast. Let's examine a sentence using non-example clues. Despite being a great pianist, Mary could not bear the thought of performing in front of a large crowd. In this case, bear is a homophone. It could mean the animal bear or to tolerate something. Given the context, it's clear that Mary is not dealing with a furry creature, but rather, she's struggling to tolerate the idea of performing in public. When you're writing or speaking, using example and non-example clues can greatly improve clarity, particularly when dealing with homophones and homonyms. It's a skill that requires practice, but over time, you'll find that it becomes second nature and it greatly enhances the precision and understanding of your communication. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using example and non-example context clues for understanding homophones and homonyms. We hope this has been helpful and will assist you in both understanding English better and improving your writing and speaking skills. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. So, keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time, happy learning!